Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and I'm gonna show you a really nice one-bedroom apartment. It is located in Calle San Blas, right next to Atocha, and it's also near el Museo Thyssen and Museo del Prado. So let's get started. Alright, this is the main door of the apartment, and once we get in, we have this little hallway here. And this is the living room. All right, it's a very nice living room. Okay, let's take a look. All right, I love like the floor, like wooden floor. All right, so here we have this round table and these 3 chairs. Okay, right here this couch, really comfortable couch. Right in front of us we have a TV. Okay, this table here, right, that's the bedroom. We also have that chair right there. Okay, this big balcony. All right, there's some noise because there are like some guys working. Let's check it out. All right. It is actually a very quiet street, but right now they're just working. All right. Right there we have the kitchen. All right. Okay, with this door. All right. It's a small kitchen, but we have, has everything we need. Washing machine, microwave, fridge, stove, sink. All right. Cool. All right. And oops, let's see the bedroom here. Right, it's very bright. Okay, has the same view as the balcony. And here we have 2 single beds put together. Right, a desk, really nice one. All right, this chair. Okay, that built-in closet right there. Okay. Cool. We also have some storage space up here, but we're not gonna have a problem with this closet. It is giant. And let's see the bathroom. Okay, right there we have the shower, toilet, towels ready to be used. Okay, sink, mirror, and all right. Okay, it's a very nice apartment, and that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and see you next time. Bye.